This is me Priya. Today I want to discuss to each and every student. First, Rajesh, please tell me what is the role of teacher in a student's life?
According to me, teacher play a very good role in every student. Teacher teaches what is wrong and what is right. Teacher build every student confidence to teach a student perform without a fear. Teacher teaches what is right and what is wrong. A teacher not just a teacher book knowledge. He also teach a life lesson. Teacher shapes a student future. It's all about a teacher.
Okay, Rajnikant Bhaiya, please tell me who is the best teacher, government teacher or private teacher?
According to me, private teacher is very good because he always excited to teach, and a private teacher very excited to teach, and teaching he care each and every student, and he has more knowledge of the any subject, and he has completed many degrees so that it.
Okay, now Nikhil, please tell me what kinds of quality should teacher have?
Basically, teacher is the only person who shape our life in a positive way, and teachers teach us the way how to grow in a life. And teacher is like a four-leaf clover, hard to find but lucky to have. A teacher is the only person who not only teach us but also motivate, inspire us, and help student to grow in a life. Because a teacher have a deep inspection in their subject.